How to use XP doublers in Brawl Stars. Now before we get started, for us to be able not to have any problems in the future, make sure that you're currently using or you're currently running the latest version of Brawl Stars. Just head to your Google Play Store and look for the Brawl Stars application, and you should be able to know if your Brawl Stars needs an updating because there's gonna be update button visible. Simply tap on that and it'll automatically update by itself. Now let's just head directly to the tutorial. Now for you to be able to use the XP doublers, you need to purchase one first. Now once you have access to game, make sure that you log into your account and head directly to the shop. Now just scroll all the way to the right till you find the option that says XP dollars. Here it is. Now you have at least or you need at least 25 gems for you to be able to have or to get an XP doublers. Once you have sufficient amount of gems, then once you tap on that, it will automatically be activated by itself. Once your XP doublers is activated, it will be active once you're live or once you're currently on a match. And that's it. That's how easily you can use XP doublers in Brawl Stars.